How's your day going? I hope you're doing well. Thanks so much for clicking on this reaction. I'm checking out The Warning Sharks live at Liverpool. It happened on 24th July 2024. I haven't seen this. I haven't heard this song. I'll probably crop the video because of copyright. Expect me to do some commentary and pause a bit from time to time because it's a reaction video. I have to say this for the people who are in the comments like, oh, you talk too much. Shut up, I just want to listen to the music. Anyway, let's go.
Liverpool, we have two very important announcements to make. Number one is that we're gonna be in Brixton Academy in April next year. We're super psyched for that show, so we're here to formally invite you. We want to see you there. All right, very, very special.
Daniela is such a great front lady. I was about to say frontman. Front lady. She has so much charisma, stage presence. She's so confident. Hey!
And number two is that we're gonna play a song that we haven't played live before. Yeah! So we Liverpool get the premiere. Let's see if you recognize the song.
The guy that gave me a shark plushie today. This is for you!
I swear that riff is so rough. It sounds like a Parkway Drive song is about to begin. If you know Parkway Drive, hey! That bass is shaking my head. It's shaking my brain cells around. Let me just rewind. It sounds like something from Seven Dust. You know, if you know Seven Dust, comment below. Huh?
This is for you!
Listen to that! The bass! That is definitely like inspired by like Breaking Benjamin, right? So like The Warning reminds me of so many bands I love, right? Like The Warning like makes you like remember, like, oh, what's the phrase I'm looking for? Like relive your love for rock. That's what I'm trying to say. They make you relive your love for rock. They remind me of this song alone. I'm thinking of Godsmack. I'm thinking of Breaking Benjamin, Seven Dust, Parkway Drive. Pau's vocals are very good. Hey, the lady's drumming and singing is just so on point. When I'm done with this reaction, I'll go and look for the studio version of this song if it's on YouTube. So many similarities with what like Breaking Benjamin plays. I'm saying it in a good way because I love Breaking Benjamin. The way they are playing that that riff they just played. That's like something Breaking Benjamin will definitely play. Hey, the warning, like they rock hard. They rock unapologetically hard. That was dope. I'm going to rewind. That was dope. That the way she's talking and then she's doing like that spoken word and then chikiji, chikiji, chikiji. That's so dope. Very dope track. I'll go look for the original studio version of this track. So many similarities with like they're a young band, so probably they listened to other bands that influenced their style. I wouldn't be surprised if like Breaking Benjamin inspired like some of those riffs in that track. You realize I used the term inspired. So don't say, oh, this dude is saying they copy it. No, I'm just saying bands inspire each other, like the way Breaking Benjamin was inspired by Bush, the way Trivium was inspired by Metallica, like that. Yeah. Anyway, if you've enjoyed my reaction, make sure to smash like and subscribe. I'm a rock DJ, so if you're wondering why is this guy talking about other bands, I'm a rock DJ, so I tend to do like band comparisons and stuff like that. If you want to see my other reactions to The Warning, I'll leave them here. I'll see you in the next one.